So we're already coming to the end of the first day at Automechanika. Bit of a strange time to be filming an intro, but it's been full on today. The show's had its busiest opening morning in its 4-year history, and bearing in mind that this is the last event until 2021, exhibitors seem to be keen to find out what's going on in the halls behind me. Now this year involves mainly garages. You can see we're running the big UK garage event, which is basically exhibitors based around the aftermarket, dedicated to supplying garages with quality parts, services, training and so forth. If you're not already coming to the show or not considering coming to the show, I would highly recommend it. The halls are busy, there's lots of people here, plenty of companies from big and small. I'm going to take you around for a quick lap inside now with a few other little bits and pieces involved in this, including an exclusive interview with racing legend, truck mechanic, TV star, man extraordinaire and proper Yorkshire lad, Guy Martin, who is the Morris Lubricants ambassador. Let's go in and have a look around, and I hope you enjoy. So I'm now here with truck mechanic, TV star, motorbike racer and Morris Lubricants brand ambassador Guy Martin. Guy, thanks for joining me.
No worries, mate.
Quite a long list of things you do there.
One or two, mate. One or two. I don't know if I use motorbike racing anymore. No, I'm sort of, I do bits. I've been more of a mountain bike racer than a motorbike racer.
That's a good point,
I think, yeah.
There we go, mountain bike racer, there we go.
Yeah.
So you've had a chance to look around the show. What do you think so far?
What an amazing, but I didn't know anything about it until you boys said, do you fancy coming? Yeah, Automechanika, I thought it sounded, you know, how do you say, does it sound French or Spanish or German or something? Automechanika. No, it's, I just thought it would be, you know, just your, like car aftermarket sales bits, and, you know, like Andrew Page. I just thought it'd be sort of places like that. Yeah. But it's, oh man, I can't believe what's here. I mean, I've only been around half of it.
Yeah.
Bloody hell, man, like DPF cleaners, bloody 3D printing, rubber grommets, steering racks, snap-ons, like Morriseria, you know, there's everything. There's everything. Other diagnostic systems for cars. Yeah, what? Yeah.
It kind of blows your mind, doesn't it?
Yeah, there's a lot of gear, mate. There's a lot of gear. Yeah.
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 And obviously, you're here in Morris Lubricants.
I'm here at Morris, yeah.
You've been brand ambassador with him now for just over a year.
It's my second year, yeah. It's part of my second year, yeah.
How's it going with him?
Yeah, it's going the best, mate. It's going the best. I get plenty of oil for my tractor, my vans and my bike, so it's the best. It's the best, mate, yeah. So just whatever I'm doing. I'm building, like racing transit vans last year, or just my tractor that just works normally, or like our trucks at work. Yeah, we just use Morris oil. Yeah, we use Morris oil and everything.
So how are you finding the company? Do you know?
Great company. I love the attention to detail and the quality, the quality of the products. You know, it's on. I wouldn't be involved with them if it was a 10-pence job. You know, anything they do is proper. The specs they are. I've built the 800 horsepower Hayabusa, trying to be the first people to do 300 mile an hour in a mile. That's, you know, so we're pushing things to the limit, and we use Morris oil. You know, we wouldn't stand for anything second rate, really.
And speaking about sort of the things you've done, and you've had quite a few adventures.
I've had one or two, mate.
Just a couple. On the spot, what's your favourite adventure that you've been on, that you've done?
My favourite adventure? Oh, bloody hell. It's one or two things, really. It was either, I just finished a month ago the Arizona Trail Race, which is a mountain bike race from Mexico to Utah through the Grand Canyon. It was brutal, mate. It was brutal, but now I'm sort of thinking I did really enjoy it. But 2 years before that, I did a mountain bike race called the Continental Divide, which is from Canada to Mexico. and that really was one of the greatest adventures.
Yeah,
the greatest thing the best thing I've ever done. The best thing I've ever done of that sort of thing. But then, my motorised stuff, I raced Pikes Peak. About 5 years ago. That would be my greatest motorised achievement. Would be getting to the top. We're like winning Pikes Peak. Yeah, winning Pikes Peak. That was a great achievement. But they don't really match up to what it takes to go and do these mountain bike races. You know, these are
Well, I watched the mountain biking through China, and that was.
Oh yeah, but that wasn't really anything like that. I was supported there. I was just riding from point to point, whereas the big races I do, like the ultra races, the Tour Divide or the Arizona Trail race. You know, you just by yourself
on your own,
sleep in ditches wherever you can, and just get food wherever you can, and just get to the finish by whatever means, really.
Excellent.
Yeah, and I love that sort of.
Yeah.
I love that sort of stuff. Yeah, but I just don't do it for me. I don't really do it for the racing. I just do it for me. Try and put myself through a bit of pain. Something like that. I don't really know why, but something like that.
So what have you got coming up? Anything exciting?
I'm trying to be first person to do 300 mile an hour in a mile. So I've got a lot of help from a load of folks building bikes, and trying to be on a motorbike. Trying to be the first man at 300 mile an hour in a mile on a road-based motorbike.
Wow.
So building and trying, and I don't think we'll do it this year. I think obviously there'll be a lot of development. No one's ever done this, so it's not going to be. If it was easy, it would have been done by now. So it's not easy. So we've got a lot of learning to do. So we're doing that. Planning my next mountain bike trip. I'm just going to go and do a daft ride on my mountain bike, but I'll do that next year. So I can. Rest of this year, planning to do that. I'm going to always building something in my shed. I'm building my pickup. I think I'm building another daft transit van. Like a 1500 horsepower Escort pickup that I'm building. What else? Mountain bike races, working. What else am I doing?
Much.
300 mile an hour in a mile. That's about it. I think. I'm trying to be. I'm a dad now, so I'm trying to be as good a dad as I can possibly. Trying to be a family man, but I'm struggling with that a bit. So I'm trying to be a good boyfriend to my missus, trying to be a good dad to me young'un. But I'm trying, mate. I'm trying.
So are you going to go and have another look round? And
I'm going to have a look round, mate. See what else there is to see. They've only scratched the surface, mate. There is a lot of stuff, mate. A lot of stuff. So I'll go for a look.
Have you had a decent cup of tea yet?
I've not had a cup of tea, mate. No, I'm going to go find one. I might. I'd rather risk a shit cup of coffee than a shit cup of tea, mate. So I might go for the coffee, mate. I might go for the coffee. We'll see.
Excellent. Right, thanks very much.
Nice to meet you. Cheers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.